Hello, dear Oro friends. I hope you are all fine. Today I wanted to share with you a small video to give you some tips and concepts that you can apply to enhance your lifestyle and your health. But before that, let me ask you one simple question. Imagine that you can only purchase one car in your whole life. This only car you can use every day, but you cannot change it. So now tell me, friends, how you will take care of that car? What kind of petrol and quality of petrol you will put in that car? Now, similarly, your body is the vehicle of your own life. So how are you taking care of your life? How are you taking care of your body? What kind of petrol or what kind of food are you giving to your body? The quality of our food makes the difference in our life in many aspects. So today, in a very practical way, I want to show you few things that you can improve in your kitchen. And believe me, next time you will go for shopping, you will keep this video in mind, and I hope it will help you to make the best choice for you and your family. So dear friends, I want to show you few things today that will help you to make a better choice next time you go for shopping. Few things I guess you already do, but other may be new for you. So first of all, it is the choice of the food you are doing. Is it seasonal? Is it local? Is it regional food? Make this question to yourself. We know that nowadays we are limited to go outside for shopping. So there is another way to have good, fresh, good quality, full of nutriment food. It is the sprout. This is moong dal sprout. You can do as well with chana, with any kind of dal. This is very nutritious, full of mineral salt, and all the vitality of the plant is there. It is the first stage of the seed coming as a plant. So you can have in salad, you can have in your cooking. Very nutritious and very easy to do at home. Now, when you are back at home with all your shopping, we have to be conscious. We don't know in how many hands all fruits and vegetables have been going through. So just for your safety, for your hygiene, I recommend to clean your fruits and vegetables. So how we can do that? In an easy way, non-toxic way for our food and for ourselves. Very easy. Two friends in our kitchen. White vinegar and baking soda. We can use one or the other one. Vinegar, how to use? Take a bucket and for 1 cup of vinegar, add 3 cups of water. This is the proportion. And for 10-15 minutes, dip your fruits and vegetables on it. And then bacteria, fungus, virus, whatever thing are there, dirtiness in your vegetable will be killed through this solution. If you don't have vinegar but you have baking soda, in same way you can use for 1 liter of water 1 spoon of baking soda. 10-15 minutes mixing the whole thing and keeping for some time, you are disinfecting your food. And then you can store in the place you normally do. Now I want to come to one point. Most of the houses, if we analyze and we observe, there is few things that we will find, basic grocery. One, it is salt. So salt, obviously we need to use in a moderate way, but the quality of salt is very important, crucial. White salt in your kitchen, it is a poison. Please don't use it. Instead, take the unrefined salt. rock salt, pink salt, sea salt, but unrefined. If you have any doubt, you will see the color. Color will help you to recognize it. Another point, it is sugar. Sugar. White sugar is another poison. It is a poison for our liver. It is a poison for our body. This all white refined food, actually it is increasing the acidity in our bodies, and that is leading to more inflammation, more illness process. So instead of the white sugar, use brown sugar, jaggery, dates, honey. All these things are a better quality of sugar, and obviously in moderate way. My next point is the oil. How to choose the good quality of oil? We use oil every day in our food. It is very essential for our health. But in which way and how we cook it? Non-refined oil is a poison. We are with some process of heating and keeping some chemical extracting the oil. Instead of that, use the cold press oil. Any oil but cold press. That means by mechanical procedure, we are extracting without damaging the molecule. So we are keeping a good nutritional values. We are keeping the good quality of the oil, and we are taking that. So please, next time you go for shopping, think about that. My next point, and the last, it is the rice, the cereal, the flour you are using in your food. So same thing. Choose the unrefined, the brown, the unpolished rice, atta, and cereal. Why? Because when it is unpolished, it means we are keeping the full seed. And in this full seed there is enzymes that are very important for us to digest our food. It will be helpful for our food. So please use these few advice. I give you a small challenge. Now go to your kitchen and see how many of these things are there and how many are not there. Remember these few things. Choose the unrefined, brown, unpolished instead of refined, white and polished. Choose as much as you can organic instead of unorganic, packed, canned food. Choose more the homemade and slow food and less the fast food. And next time, I hope you will be more conscious of your shopping. Thank you so much and see you soon.